Ebrahim Amin. I'm coming from Laguna Beach, California. I heard about this wooden boat show, which it was interesting for me to paint the boats here. That's why I came all the way here. And I saw a lot of beautiful boats here. And I am a professional artist, like a plein air artist. I paint outside. And I hope that I can get few more paintings today finished before the show ended.
How long are you going to be in Port Townsend?
3 days. This is my third day. Recently in the Laguna area and Newport Beach, which was a lot of wooden boats before, they passed a law that the people don't allow to park the boats in the ocean. That's why the people like me, off and on painting boat subjects, I couldn't access these things anymore for a few years. That's why I came here. It's about 46 years I am a painter. I'm a professional artist.
And talk to me about your accent.
What?
Your accent.
It's from Iran and mixing with German language because I was living in there too.
Your first time in Port Townsend?
Yeah, it's my first time here.
And how do you like it?
Oh, it's very good, very beautiful. But the first day we got some rain in the first day, which I was scared that when I came all the way here, if I get rain, I cannot paint outside. But thank God that the afternoon, the weather was good, and then I could finish one piece. And then yesterday I finished 2 pieces. And they are good, then later I can enlarge them in the bigger size for my art shows and galleries.
Now, why did you like this boat out of all the boats that we have here at the Wooden Boat Festival?
At the
why
festival, I went over there yesterday, but the boats, the way that they are parked, you cannot access to see the whole body of boat and the reflection in the water, which is important for me to have a composition, a good composition. Yesterday I painted one over there. I was standing over the deck and then it was very shaky. The painting wasn't as good as I wanted because of this shaky area. But that was the only subject that I find paintable, because the rest are, I took some photos from them, but I don't think that I can paint them later.
Do you have a name for this painting?
Not yet. I have to ask. I saw the owner of the painting, the boat, that I'm gonna ask what he called his boat, then I can name it for that. Okay, I'm singing a song from the Rumi. گر به تو افتادم نظر چهره به چهره رو به رو چهره به چهره رو به رو شرح و دهم غم تو را نکته به نکته مو به مو نکته به نکته مو به مو. That's it. It wasn't from Rumi. I made a mistake. It is it was from a poet lady. Her name was Tahere. It's about 100 years ago. She lived there.
Thanks so much for sharing.
You're welcome. You're welcome. My website is aminfineart, AMINART.com.